Hello folks, welcome back to another practice session. So let's see where we go. I hope you keep up with your practice. I'm going to start out with the cross 6. I find that this gives me a lot of 4s and 10s, a lot of outside shots. So 7, okay, buttons are off. First roll, we'll take that. It's 6-1. I don't have to show you. It's 7. Okay, here we go again. Okay, 7, 4, 3. Another one. Same set. 7, 6, 1. Okay, it's 3, 7 in a row. Same set. Since the buttons are off and we're rolling 7, let's just stay there, keep it that way. 8. Okay, 3, 5. Game on. Now, because we roll 7, let's change the dice set. So that way we don't pop a 7. Going for the 6, 3, 3, 6. 10. Okay. 4, 6, 10. For those of you who still continue watching me, say thank you and keep up with your practice. At this point, I'm pretty sure that for me, the 7 pops out under the 10th row. Once I pass 9, 4, 3, 1 is a point. Once I pass the 9th row, the next row will be the 10th. That's when the 7 pops out for me, about like 85% of the chance. So, and then after that, it'll be under the 15, 16. So, I just have to be mindful of that. Hopefully, it falls into the right spot when the buttons are off. Okay, 8, 4, 4, point made. Okay, buttons are off now. At this point, you can go back to the 7, or you could try to hit all the numbers and try to get the all tall, all short. Going back to the cross 6. 5, 4, 1, point 5. And every time I see a 5 when I roll, chances are a 9 might follow right after that. I only know this is because I practice it so much. The set is 6, 5, 5, 4, which gives a lot of outside numbers. 5. Okay, point made. 2, 3, 5. Go back to the cross 6. I'm using 6, 3, 6, 5 for the cross 6. 6, 4, 2, point 6. Okay, this will be the 10th row. So we're going to go with the 4, 2, 2, 4, 6, and 8. 7. See, 10 row, just like I said. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I just can't seem to shake that. And the buttons are on. So it's the wrong timing. 2 points. Couldn't make the third. Okay? So I hope you guys keep up your practice and pay attention to the pattern that develop within your row. As like I said, for me, the 7 usually pop out on the 10th. So the more you practice, the more you'll see what your pattern will be. And that's when you should be able to shut your bets off. Take care and keep it short, and we'll restart the session again.